It's your girl, Eyebrow, back with another tutorial. Today I'm using my Eyebrow pomade with the gel definer. This is going to do my brows. First things first, I'm going to take the Eyebrow brush. I'm going to go ahead and brush those lashes out. Do a nice little, good old, even little cut on it. Okay, and when it comes to doing your eyebrows, you have to find out where's your arch, where's the end, and where's going to be the beginning. Okay, for anyone who doesn't know what the pomade is, here it is. This is the Eyebrow. Can you guys see it? Yep, Eyebrow dark brown pomade. Okay, then I'm gonna begin. First, just take, so this pomade is really concentrated, so it only really needs like a little bitty dab, not even. Gonna go ahead and start. Okay, if you guys can see, it's like really concentrated. Okay, I'm gonna take another little dab.
With the power vested in me by nobody in particular, I hereby crown you Princess Kuda, ruler of the 7 seas.
So pretty much, guys, what I'm doing here is just outlining it out, and then I'm gonna fill it in with my brow define gel pen. Remember, once again, like I said, the pomade is really concentrated, so it only takes a dab. Okay, and that is that. The mirror that I am using is by Eyebrow as well. It's the Brow Defining Kit. Okay, now that's all filled in. And here it is, the Brow Building Fiber Gel. And this is pretty much just gonna fill it in and give it that natural, nice look. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and take that brush and just blend that all in there. Okay. Okay guys, this is the finished final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, share. The product that I did use for this video is the Ardell's Browing Defining Kit. Ardell Brow Defining Kit once again. Another content that I use for this video is the Brow Building Fiber Gel. That is to fill in your brows. It comes with the Ardell brush and the Ardell Dark Brown Brow Pomade. Like and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thank you. I'm the Amber Rose.